Do you need quick access to your flashlight on your lock screen? Here's a step-by-step guide to help you add the flashlight shortcut to your lock screen. First, open your phone's settings. You can tap the gear icon in the quick settings panel when you swipe down from the top of your screen or find the gear app icon in the app drawer. Next, tap on lock screen. For Samsung Galaxy users, this is usually in the fourth grouping of menu items under display, but this can differ depending on the manufacturer of your phone. If you're using a Google Pixel, this might be in the first grouping. Then, tap on shortcuts. Scroll down the lock screen settings and you'll find this menu option. If the switch is gray, it's off, and you'll need to tap to turn it on. It'll turn blue to indicate that it's on, to set shortcuts. After that, tap on either left shortcut or right shortcut. When you have the switch enabled, you'll see a list of apps that you can set to that shortcut. Finally, tap on flashlight. This is usually in the No Unlock Needed section. The next time you tap or double tap your phone to see the lock screen, the flashlight icon will appear near the bottom of your screen. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can easily add the flashlight shortcut to your lock screen. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it. Thanks for watching.